Well, first and foremost, it's been an absolute pleasure to teach this group, who have been welcoming, enthusiastic and fun. They've embraced a variety of exercises that I brought in with enthusiasm, and they've produced some fantastic work.
It's a really nice group. It's nice meeting new people who are in a similar situation to yourself, so we can all understand how each other feels, which is great.
I retired a while back, and I used to live a very busy sort of life, going to meetings, meeting loads of people, and since then I've been a bit secluded, really. I suppose we all have. Just good to meet up with other people.
I think one of the nicest things really about this is having the expertise from the Somerset Wildlife Trust with Hermione and Kristen, and I think that adds hugely to the richness that the members of the group experience.
We went to Wellington Monument and we took part in a sensory walk. And then explored some sort of artistic and creative explorations following that. So we explored our senses and connected with all of the felt sensations and textures around us, the mosses, the lichens, the bark. It's quite a different experience if you're walking in an area on your phone with your headphones in, to actually opening up through your senses to connect with the natural environment. The well-being benefits of nature are more readily accessed in that way. It's mindfulness, essentially.
There's a need for this type of project more than ever since the effects of the pandemic has started to impact on more and more people. So I think more and more people are struggling with things like anxiety and depression, social isolation and loneliness, and all of these things can be helped by A, being sociable together in a group, and B, by being creative within that. I've definitely seen improvements in all the people that have come. Obviously, they've all got different things going on. It helps it a lot to come and be with other people and to just focus on something creative for a little while.